Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be trying, guys, a new GoPro mount. So last time we came out here, a lot of the cars, the GoPro mounts just kept falling off. I think we had like 3 cameras and they kept falling off. So this time I found this on Amazon. It is metal, so it's basically on bolts and nuts. The sucky part, you do have to drill 2 holes in it, but hopefully this thing holds. You know, eventually maybe the body's gonna break, but it seems like it's pretty good on there. So we're just gonna do a couple of laps with the 360 camera. The mount so far is holding up pretty good, but for some reason I gotta figure out how to make it from turning. Man, they do have spacers, but I don't think that's gonna help. So far it's holding out really good, but I think the case, you guys can see it, did already scratch up the case a little bit. So looks like I have to just stockpile on cases. It's holding on really good. At first it was kind of flopping down, but once I tighten it really good, it's pretty cool. So keep going. battery finally died, so that'll be it for this video. But yeah, if you guys want, I'll try to have a link of that thing, of the mount somewhere down below, so you guys can check it out if you guys want it. The mount is really good. I really like it. I'm gonna get a few more for the other cars, so go check it out. Thanks guys for watching. Subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time.